big green candles with positive delta. And this is the thing I want to draw to traders' attention. Now, 65, 186, right? That is roughly a 3x difference between the ask and the bid, right? So you see a huge amount of aggressive buyers trying to break the level. They didn't really win, right? A lot of these sellers over here, in fact, all of the buyers over here, were trapped, right? These were trapped buyers. Now, 106 for 224, 0 for 2, right? We're looking for a finished auction, right? I've been through this in many videos. A finished auction is where you see a 0 on one side. So seeing a 0 on one side essentially means that there's more, obviously more, in this case, aggressive buyers and sellers. That's one reason to take a short. But the second reason is when you see a finished auction, it shows you that there's no trading at that level. It's showing you the market is going to reverse, right? Or there's a higher likelihood of the market going to reverse, right? So this is what I use as a massive confluence to my trading, and I recommend using it for any type of strategy you have, right? Confirm your levels, confirm any indicators you're using, confirm your fair value gaps, confirm your support and resistance with order flow and finished auctions, right? Finished auctions are the lifeblood to my trading, essentially, right? When I see a 0, there's two ways to interpret this. So this is the price 62.96.5, 62.97, right? So you can confidently place a stop loss above at 62.97. The reason why I'm saying that is because at 62.97 there has been the auction there has been wiped out, right? There's 0 aggressive buyers, which shows you that the buyers and sellers themselves are no longer interested in trading at those prices. Now, once you can establish that with the fact that buyers are trapped, there's only one other option, is to sell, right? So simplification of your strategy using order flow is what you want to do, right? So that's essentially the sell-off you could have taken. So that brings us to kind of Friday's trades, very aggressive sell-offs. So let's kind of clear the charts again. Okay, let's just go to Thursday now. Now, Thursday was interesting because Thursday actually was derived from Tuesday's level, right? Tuesday was probably the best trade I personally took as well from the week. And we're just going to be breaking it down. So on Tuesday, how did I frame this trade, right? So what are you looking for when you're framing a trade like this, a sell-off? So let's just go to Tuesday, right? Because it's the same level that played on Thursday. So let's go to Tuesday and understand. So I had a fair value gap from Monday. There's the fair value gap from Monday. That's going to be my target. So my trading is as simple as waiting for key levels, seeing the reaction at key levels, and then trading the order flow.